0 calories, 0 sugar, there is 0 insulin response. Hey guys, Ben here with If Nutrition, and in today's video I'm going to be discussing the topic, do 0 calorie drinks break my fast? Now there's a lot of demonization of 0 calorie drinks. A lot of people believe that things like aspartame causes cancer, and there has been no reliable meta-analysis done that shows this is the case. Also, 0 calories, 0 sugar, there is 0 insulin response. You know, you are not going to break your fast. As long as there is no calories, there is no issue. So as long as you're making sure that the fizzy drinks that you're consuming are indeed 0 calorie fizzy drinks, you are going to be fine. They're not going to break your fast. The only thing that I would say is you do not want to be excessively consuming these drinks, because, you know, massive consumption of them, like quite excessive consumption, can cause issues with your gut microbiome, which you don't want. So you always want to make sure you're prioritizing things like water. Our body needs it. Also, for me, the winner has to be black coffee throughout my fasting period. I have a few cups of that in the morning, and it deadens off the hunger, get through the lunch easy, and, you know, just enables me to hit my intermittent fasting goals a lot easier. One thing that always gets banded around about these fizzy drinks is that aspartame has been linked to cancer, it causes cancer and all of these other harmful things. I've not seen any significant meta-analysis that has linked aspartame with cancer or anything else of that magnitude. So if you're consuming the odd can of 0 calorie fizzy drinks, you're not going to cause yourself any major issues, and you're definitely not going to be breaking your fast. The thing that you've got to remember here with intermittent fasting, you want to stay in a fasted period, which means you are consuming no calories. 0 calorie drinks have no calories, therefore you're not going to get an issue. Don't worry about drinking them. Like I say, just make sure you're drinking water as well, and you're going to be good. So if you found this video useful, make sure you smash that like button. If you're new here, consider subscribing, and I'll see you in the next video.